diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to show you another amazing canvas from Distracted by Diamonds and Geneva Bowers. I'm so excited. I feel like I need to make some kind of merch that says "so excited" because every time I unbox one of these canvases, that's something I can't seem to stop saying, but it's always true. It's always completely sincere. And so once again, I'm so excited to show this to you. Today's video features background noise provided by my cat, who is attempting to lick out a yogurt container with no opposable thumbs. Before we get into this diamond painting today, I want to show you another really awesome thing I got in the mail this week. Now, some of you know, if you follow my Instagram, that there was an incident with Geneva Bowers art and AliExpress, and I was a little upset about it because I found out a store on Ali was stealing some of her work, and I was like, oh no, this is not happening. I'm going to her website right now and I'm buying some of her legit merch. So if you guys want to do the same, I'll stick the link to her website in the description below because I was pretty excited about what I got. I'm gonna show you, of course. And I actually got these things for my daughters for Christmas. They don't watch my channel, so it's fine. I'll show you. You guys can keep a secret. It's great. So I got a couple of prints from Geneva, and they're cool because they're signed, which is extra special. And because I've been working with Geneva on some licensing, I feel like it's extra special to have some of these little, some of this work in my house. It's really cool. So this first piece is called Space Letterman 1, and that relates to our canvas that we're gonna unbox here in a minute. So I got that one for my daughter who loves all things outer space and NASA and girl power and all of that. And then here's a sticker. It's a hollow sticker, so it's shiny, with this adorable girl and the rockets, the space shuttles in the background. So that's super cool. This one was called Rainbow, which I adore. This would make a fantastic, they would both make amazing diamond paintings. Who am I kidding? This rainbow one has this amazing rainbow hair. I love it. It's so cool. And then I also got this hollow sticker. This is a little extra I got in the package, a little postcard. So cute. And then Geneva's card, which is also hollow. Hologram. That's so cool. Geneva, thanks so much for being an amazing artist, for allowing Distracted by Diamonds to license your work, and for having a website where we can purchase all this cool stuff. So I thought you guys would enjoy seeing those as well. I'm really excited to give those to the girls. All right, let's get into our canvas today. This is a big kahuna. When I saw this box in the mail, I was thinking, whoa, I didn't expect this canvas to be this big, but I'm excited. I'm super excited about it. Here we go. Are we ready? I love it so much. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the FTC requires me to tell you at some point in the video, if I'm showing you a product you might want to buy, that I'm affiliated with Distracted by Diamonds on a limited basis, locating art and licensing artists. And so when I see something that I've been working on in diamond painting form and it's finished form, it's so thrilling. It is so thrilling. It's so exciting. All right. This piece is called Space Letterman 2. I just showed you Space Letterman 1, a print. This is a 60 by 75. There's a misprint on our inventory sheet here. I can tell this is bigger than 52 by 56. This is ginormous. This is round with 40 colors and a really nice inventory sheet in here. It's got the copyright info in it. I always think that's very important. Here we go. Of course, I'm gonna have to show this to you in sections because it's humongous. Here's what I love about this so much. A, her colorful hair is amazing. B, her blue lips are amazing. C, she's got these rockin' colorful headphones on. D, her amazing space helmet. This is so cool. All right, let me move you up. I'll show you more awesomeness on the bottom half. E, all of her jacket patches and this cool stuff. I mean, it's just so great. I'm really excited. I'm so excited. One could say I'm super excited. All right, we have an inventory list. What do you call this thing? We have a legend on the left-hand bottom, the right-hand top, and then we also have the usual markings along the bottom with the addition of the title of the piece and the copyright info. I know Robyn's been working hard to get that put on all of the canvases, so that's exciting to see that there. How am I gonna not put drills on it right away? This looks awesome. So I now own all 3 of the Geneva Bowers from Distracted by Diamonds, and that just thrills me. All right, I'm just gonna look things over here a bit. I wanna make sure that if there's an issue with anything, I'm gonna tell you, Robyn's a friend, but you're also a friend. And so we're just gonna take a peek and look at everything. All right, we have in our toolkit blue wax. It matches. That's awesome. A blue pen and squishy, and the squishy fits. That's always my pet peeve when the squishy doesn't fit the pen, but it fits. That's awesome. Then we have what looks like a 4-placer to me. It's got a little bit of extra plastic around the edge. I'm just gonna peel off there. With a nice tight fit. Awesome. This looks like a 6-placer to me. I could be wrong, but awesome. A white boat. I like the white boats. And pointy tweezers. I love these tweezers. They have so many uses. I have stolen these for all of my other crafts at this point. So I have some like in my cross stitch basket. I have some in my paper crafting area. They're the best. I love them. I love them. I even gave a pair to my husband who loves to fix cars, and he finds them handy for that purpose too. My allergies are intense today. If you guys hear a little bit of frogginess, it's because the wildfire smoke from California has made it all the way to Montana, and it's pretty thick out there. So I'm thinking about everybody affected by that, and we definitely have a daily reminder of what's going on there. So I'm gonna flip this over. I just noticed Distracted by Diamonds trademark. That's cool. Let's make a mess of these drills, because why not? All right, as anticipated, we've got a huge amount of navy blue for the background of this, 939 and 823. Then we have some various other shades of blue. We're back to pre-bag drills. Now, we're not back to. Let me give you the scoop on this. Okay, all the canvases that have like AB drills are packaged in the cellophane baggies. And then all of these without special drills still have pre-bag drills. So that's awesome. I adore the pre-bag drills. And there is not a canvas from Distracted by Diamonds in my stash with pre-bag drills that I haven't started on. I have drills on all of them at this point. So I have lots of other awesome shades of blue, just as you would imagine in a space-themed canvas. Love. And then we have our fabulous skin tones and some reds and some pinks. I'm so thrilled with these pinks. I love fuchsia. I love it. Okay, this is so exciting. Beautiful colors. Some purples, some oranges. It's like a beautiful rainbow of colors in this canvas. Even though there's so much blue, there are so many other colors. This is gonna be so much fun. Okay, let's see where some of them go. Up here in her fabulous hair, we have, it's this color. And then our pink is this color. That's so great. All right, let's see what color her skin tones are. 5 is some highlighting in that color. I always make such a mess of my drills. Good luck finding one. That one, and then this color. Beautiful. And then her eyes are sort of like every color. She's got a rainbow in her eyes. That's gonna be super fun. Got a lot of glare going on. I hope you guys can kind of see at least. That's awesome. And then her lips are some more of this 3766. And then a number 4, this color. Awesome, that's gonna be so fantastic. So fantastic. I am thrilled. I'm thrilled. A couple things I'm noticing about the canvas as we go along, and because I was looking more at the symbols to find colors, I do notice that some of our shades have training wheels, which I've never seen before on one of Robyn's canvases. I don't know if that's a one-off this time. I personally don't mind training wheels because I have a terrible time placing my round drills straight. They're even harder for me to place straight than my square drills are. But if you guys, you know, I like to tell you all the things, and then you sort of know what you're getting. Let's see if I can show you a little closer up. And you see that, so some of the lighter colors have some black circles around them. I do think too, maybe the symbols on this are not quite as clear as some of the symbols on my other canvases. It looks to me like they used a slightly different font, and I'm not sure why they would use a different font if the other font is absolutely perfect, but you never know. You never know what's going on in the factory where these are made. So those are some observations that you might want to know. I am absolutely thrilled with this ginormous canvas. It's another huge, huge canvas for my stash. I think this artwork is absolutely stunning. Geneva, huge thanks once again for licensing your work. So I hope you guys really enjoyed seeing Space Letterman 2 today by Geneva Bowers. As always, I'll stick a link to Geneva's website and a link to Robyn's Etsy shop. She restocks twice a day, I believe, so keep stocking that shop if you're interested in one of these fabulous canvases. I know they're hard to get. I'm a professional stalker too. All right, you guys have a great week. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.